Are you tired of hearing that Nvidia is the only AI stock worth investing in? What if I told you there are hidden gems in the AI world that could potentially outperform Nvidia? Stick around, because I'm revealing my top 5 AI stocks to buy right now, and they might just surprise you. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting sectors in the market, artificial intelligence. Nvidia has been the talk of the town, but there's more to the AI landscape than just one company. In this video, I'll share 5 incredible AI stocks that I believe have the potential to grow massively and deliver serious returns in the years to come. So, if you're ready to diversify your AI portfolio beyond Nvidia, let's get started. Why AI is a game-changing industry first, let's talk about why AI is such a big deal. AI is transforming industries like healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and even entertainment. From self-driving cars to chatbots and predictive analytics, AI is reshaping the way we live and work. Experts predict that the AI market could be worth more than $1.5 trillion by 2030. That's why investing in AI stocks now could set you up for long-term success. But here's the thing. While Nvidia is an undeniable leader in AI hardware, there are other players in this space, focusing on software, cloud infrastructure, and specialized AI applications that are flying under the radar. Microsoft, msft. Our first pick is a giant that's quietly dominating the AI space, Microsoft. With its Azure cloud platform, Microsoft has become a powerhouse in AI and machine learning. The company has invested heavily in ChatGPT's maker, OpenAI, giving it a huge edge in generative AI. Additionally, Microsoft is integrating AI into its popular products like Office 365 and Teams, which means it's not just increasing its revenue streams, it's also making AI accessible to millions of users worldwide. Alphabet, Google. Next, we have Google's parent company, Alphabet. Alphabet has been at the forefront of AI research and development for years. Its DeepMind division has made groundbreaking advances in AI, including AlphaFold, which revolutionized protein folding. Google's AI-powered products like Google Search, YouTube recommendations, and Google Cloud's AI tools make it a diversified AI giant with significant growth potential. AMD. Now let's talk about AMD. While Nvidia dominates the GPU market, AMD is giving it a run for its money with its cutting-edge AI and data center chips. AMD's latest processors are designed to handle AI workloads more efficiently, making it a strong contender in the hardware space. Plus, AMD's competitive pricing and strong partnerships position it well for future growth. Palantir Technologies, PLTR. Our fourth pick is Palantir Technologies, a company that specializes in big data and AI analytics. Palantir's platforms are used by governments, healthcare organizations, and businesses to make data-driven decisions. With its recent focus on developing AI-powered solutions, Palantir is becoming a key player in the AI software space. Its potential to scale in both commercial and government settings makes it a stock to watch. C3.ai. Last but not least, we have C3.ai, a pure-play AI company. C3.ai develops enterprise AI applications that help companies improve efficiency, reduce costs, and make smarter decisions. What sets C3.ai apart is its focus on industries like energy, manufacturing, and defense, where AI adoption is still in its early stages. While it's a smaller company compared to others on this list, its specialized focus and growth potential make it a high-risk, high-reward opportunity. So, there you have it. My top 5 AI stocks to buy right now. From tech giants like Microsoft and Alphabet, to innovative players like Palantir and C3.ai, these companies offer unique opportunities to invest in the AI revolution. Remember, investing always carries risk, so do your own research and consider your financial goals before making any decisions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments which AI stocks you're most excited about, or if there are any others that you think deserve a spot on this list. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. D Alphabet, to innovative players like Palantir and C3.ai, these companies offer unique opportunities to invest in the AI revolution. Remember, investing always carries risk, so do your own research and consider your financial goals before making any decisions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments which AI stocks you're most excited about, or if there are any others that you think deserve a spot on this list. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.